Welcome back to the channel, guys. Yeah, we're indoors again tonight. We're doing another one of those recipes that I found online, just scrolling around. I run across these guys and I just save them up, and once in a while I scroll around and find one I want to make. Tonight is we're doing a Texas cowboy stew. I don't know what it is that makes it Texas, but it's just a good old cowboy stew. Hearty meal, comfort food, I guess you could say. And it's got a bunch of stuff in it, so let me show you what we're doing. Alright guys, just to save time, because we are running a little bit late tonight, we went ahead and pre-cut everything, pre-prep. Mama helped me there. But I got here, this is a pound of ground beef. I chose the extra lean. It's like a 96.4, just to kind of speed things up a little bit. I think it's going to have plenty of liquids in it where it's going to be just fine. Back here I got, these are two russet potatoes, about medium size, that Mama chopped up for me. This is about a 14-ounce package of kielbasa that's going to go in here too. Of course I got some chili powder, we got some cumin, of course salt and pepper, can of diced tomatoes that I've drained, pinto beans. We got some whole kernel corn, a little small 8-ounce can of that I have drained also, and a can of Rotel. One chopped white onion, or it's about a half of a chopped onion. And you probably remember these mixed vegetables from my busy day soup that I did a couple weeks ago. So check that video out. So this is our ingredients. We're gonna get this thing going. Alright guys, we're gonna come in here. We're just gonna saute up some onions just to get things started here. Gonna saute them up just till they're a little translucent. I'm going to add some minced garlic in here, but I want to cook these onions up a little bit first before I do that. Alright, leave it to the cameraman to not record me adding about a clove of fresh garlic, straight from a jar, into the pot. Got some good garlic smell coming off of that. We're going to add our ground beef on in there. Again, this is very lean, extra lean ground beef. So we probably won't even have to drain anything off. We're going to brown that up. We'll check back here in just a minute. Everything is nice and brown. Those onions are nice and translucent in there. I'm not even going to drain this. There's so little liquid in there because that is extra lean ground beef. We're just going to come in here and get our kielbasa mixed right on in there, guys. Time to get everything in the pot now. It already smells good. You guys want to come on in with our potatoes. Get them on in there. Our can of diced tomatoes. We did drain these. Hope this pot's big enough. Our pinto beans, juices and all. Here's our can of whole kernel corn. We drained the juices off of that as well. A can of Rotel. It's going to be one full pot. And this is our frozen mixed vegetables. We tried to get equivalent to like one of those little 10-ounce packages of mixed vegetables. It's got the carrots, peas, green beans, corn. We will add more spices if needed as we get closer. This is about a teaspoon of cumin. A red chili pepper or powder. 2 cups of water. Again, we may add more salt and pepper, but here's some salt. Some pepper. Now we just try our best to incorporate everything together. Gonna be a good hearty stew, I know that. I'm gonna bring this up to a high so we can get to a boil, so we can let this thing simmer. To a boil. I'm gonna back this off a little bit, and I'm gonna put the lid on, and we're gonna cook this. It might take us a good hour, but unless I can't, it's getting late. We're at least gonna get those potatoes done. How about that? Let's go with that. Everything's good and hot, incorporated, simmer for a while. We'll come back and get a taste of this. Alright guys, don't forget to come in and give us a stir occasionally. This smells delicious. About 1 hour later, I think we are done. We checked the potatoes just a minute or so ago, and they are ready. Guys, when we get Mama fed, we're gonna come back and get us a taste of this. Texas Cowboy stew. I gotta say, it smells amazing. Alright guys, it is time to get some of this love here. Try to get some of that kielbasa in there. Spoon in there, and Mama whooped up some cornbread there real quick. Guys, would you look at that? Get a bite of that. Get a taste of this, guys. It is hot, I can tell you that. Make sure I got some of that kielbasa in there. Some beef. Some veggies. Perfect. Pretty dad burn good. Dad burn, is that a Texas word or a Kentucky word? That might be a Kentucky word, I ain't sure. Delicious, guys. Texas Cowboy stew. I'm sure there's many variations of this out there. This is just one I've seen out there on the, I don't even remember where, one of the social media pages. I will have the recipe down below. The original recipe was double this, and it's just Mama and I, so I cut it in half, and that's the way I made it. I did not really change the ingredients, the ratio at all. I didn't really feel like I had to, but I'm sure you could and make it yours. So guys, yeah, A+. As always, thank you for watching the video. If you don't mind, hit that like button. It helps us out a lot. Subscribe to the channel if you have not already. And be sure to hit that bell notification to let you know every time I post a new video. So guys, until next time, God bless you. Bye-bye.